a dream last night. Told me things would be fine, but you lied straight to my face. A bit let you said follow me somewhere down this path. The road that we're living on surely isn't what's best for me. You don't know what's best for me. Let me breathe, and I'm trapped underneath all this weight. Tell me, can you tell me, can you leave me be? Please leave me be. Please leave me be. Would you rather me be honest, or just avoid telling the truth? Cause I've always sucked at lying, and I'd rather be here next to him. I don't know what to do when the lights start to dim. I'm better resolved in handcuffs, floating on like dust in the wind. Was best for me. You don't know what's best for me. Let me breathe. I'm trapped underneath all this weight. Tell me, can you tell me, can you leave me be? Please leave me be. Cause I tried so damn hard, and look where it got me. No, don't look back, it's not worth it anymore. But if we really want it, we could flip this script, maybe dodge the consequences and make it out on top. Maybe we can make this ours. Miss the moon, but surely land among the stars. I refuse to fall short. I'm not giving up, no, no, no. Cause you don't know what's best for me. You don't know what's best for me. Let me be. Please leave me be.